Hello friends, as you know that dark mode apps become very popular nowadays. So today what we are going to learn is how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp for Android. Let's get started and follow the steps. Open WhatsApp from your device. Click on three dot icon at the top right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on chats option. Here you can see a theme option. Tap on it. Here you can see different types of theme. Tap on dark option and click OK. Your dark mode WhatsApp is ready to use. That's it. Please like and share this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching Digital Techno Park.